Most homes look great online, but completely different in person. This is one of those homes. Welcome to my newest listing here in Skye Canyon. And if space, outdoor living, and privacy matter to you, you're gonna wanna see this one. The first thing that you notice when you walk in is how calm the home feels. It's spotless, well cared for, and intentionally upgraded, not overdone. The kitchen anchors the main living space with upgraded cabinetry, tile backsplash, under cabinet lighting, and a pantry that actually works for everyday life. This upgraded tall sliding door completely changes how the home lives, connecting the interior to the outdoor space in a way that most homes here simply can't. The backyard is where this home separates itself. Over $200,000 was invested here to create a private, functional, resort-style space, something that is extremely difficult to replicate today. Most homes in this community don't have the lot size to support this kind of layout. This finished structure adds real flexibility, a gym, office, studio, or just a quiet retreat. The sprawling 15-acre Skye Canyon Park is the heartbeat of the neighborhood and home to many community events. Easily accessible, the park features large green spaces and grass soccer fields, basketball courts, and a kids' play area including splash pad, and a residents-only access to the pool. With top-of-the-line exercise equipment, neighborhood parks, neighborhood schools, trail system, and dedicated bike lanes, outdoor adventure awaits. Designed around an active and creative lifestyle, Skye Canyon aims to enrich the daily life of its residents with interactive programs and events, combined with indoor and outdoor fitness-focused activities. The nearly 10,000 square foot Skye Fitness Center is exclusively for Skye Canyon residents and included as part of the HOA. Staffed by fitness director and personal trainers, this indoor-outdoor center offers a level of service and equipment found only in the best health clubs. Skye Canyon community events include the 5 8K road run and group yoga classes. As a Skye Canyon resident, you'll receive a Skye Pass that lets you enjoy preferred privileges and discounts with places like Lee Canyon, which is just a short 17 miles away. So if this feels like your kind of home, hit the link below for all the details. And if you like properties like this, check out some of my other videos over here, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for coming.